What's that sound? Oh. I need to stop it. Are you okay, Alex? Steffi, can you imagine? I thought a giant robot was attacking you. It's just me and my new Batman toy. Monsters are not real, Alex. Now come join me. Bad bike. What? What's that? Ah, scared me! I must stop it. Are you okay, Alex? Lasha, I thought monsters were attacking you. You're so funny. Come play with me, Alex. Did you hear that? What is this? No, I need to be brave. Huh? Only toys. Where did the dinos go? Alex, are you okay? Come here, let's play together. Steffi, I saw scary monsters that are attacking here. Where are they? Haha, Alex, I told you, monsters don't exist. What's that sound?
Go away! Go away, gone!
No monsters.
Oh, hey, Alex. Could you please help me clean up?
Yes, Ivan, I can. But where is the ghost?
Alex, ghosts don't exist, but dust does. Let's tidy up.
Uh-huh.
Done!
Ivan, can we play together now?
Yeah, sure. You did a great job. Let's play. Go up, go up. Nice job!
What's that sound? What is this? Taming.
Hey Alex, come join our tea party.
Okay. What's that sound? Uh-oh. This is so scary. I need to face my fears.
Come and join me, Alex.
Huh? Okay. Dad, I think it was a monster.
Oh, there is no such thing as monsters. It's just your imagination.
It's my imagination. Monsters are not real.
What would you like to watch?
Maybe something about animals.
Whoa!
Dad and Alex are watching TV. Let's have some fun.
Alex, do you hear the sound? You hear that?
No, Dad, it's just your imagination. Did I scare you? It's just me, Dasha. Look at this mess. Sorry, guys. I'll help you to clean up. Monsters are not real. Be brave and stay strong and face your fears.
I want to do it! I want to do it! Alright, let's see who is the last to be found. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready or not, here I come. Not here. Maybe here. No. Maybe here. No. No! There's nobody here. Can't find anyone. Think. I can check the security cameras. Ivan's behind the couch. Let's get him. Ivan, where's Ivan? Oh no, I can't find Ivan. I should go upstairs. Gotcha!
What? I thought you would never find me here. Hey, Maria, what's that phone for?
I couldn't find anyone, so I checked the security cameras.
No, Maria, you are cheating.
Okay, then help me find Alex, Dasha, and Steffi if you think it's so simple.
No, I have a better idea. Let's check the CCTV.
Yeah. Huh? What is this? I haven't seen this before.
Hey, Maria, let's go check this out.
No, thank you. Only after you.
No, come on, don't be a coward.
No, thank you. Let's check where Steffi is.
No way! How did this all get here? What is that? Whoa! That's definitely not human size. And who left this here? Looks like something a skeleton would wear. Oh.
Shh. Come on, Steffi. Where are you hiding? Gotcha! I'm coming for you, Steffi. Ah!
Oh no, Maria! I have skeleton hands! Oh, my arms! My arms! I pranked you! Look at your face!
Very funny, Ivan. Now let's go find Steffi. I know where she is. Steffi? Huh?
No!
Steffi, is that you?
Maria, don't be a crybaby. Let's go check it out.
Ivan, don't be a crybaby.
No way, you found me, guys.
All right, now let's check where Dasha and Alex are. Can't believe those giant shoes are gone.
Me too. Let's check it out.
What is this all about?
Don't worry, Steffi. We'll tell you on the way. Let's go. Let's go.
Whoa, what is this?
That's interesting. Let's open it up.
Check it out.
Whoa. Why is there even a snake in there?
This all is definitely skeleton stuff. Now I have no doubts.
Guys, I think I heard something.
Maybe it's Alex and Dasha. Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
What? Huh?
This is not Dasha and Alex. It's... What?
Huh?
No!
2 hours later.
Let's go.
Guys, I think it's the skeleton who took Dasha and Alex.
Maybe.
Hey, don't panic. Let's check the CCTV first. See? It's all now clear, girls. Let's go check downstairs.
Okay, let's go.
That's the skeleton. He's our friend. Let's go play.
Hello?
Huh?
Your friend?
Play with him?
Yes. Let's go outside. And we will show you.
Okay, let's play.
Aha!
Daddy, it was you!
Yeah!
Let's try some magic, Alex.
Okay.
Abracadabra Zeus.
No, yeah, but it doesn't work.
You're right, Alex. Let's go to bed.
Okay. Yeva, where's our animals?
Oh no, they're gone.
Huh? What's that noise?
Let's go check. You hear that, Alex?
Yes. Look, a tiger. Oh my.
What do we do now?
Yeva, I'm scared. Our toys came to life.
I know what to do. Come on. Let's feed the animals and turn them back into toys with this magic wand.
That's a brilliant idea, Yeva. Tiger.
Okay, Alex, here's the plan. I throw the stick to distract the tiger, and you turn him into a toy.
Okay.
Kitty, kitty, you want some steak, kitty? Hey, kitty, kitty. Thanks, you did it! Hooray! Tiger is back. Did you know hippos are mostly plant eaters, but they also like plants as a treat? Snack time, hippo! Let's use this moment. Let's get it. Hippo. Huh? Let's catch this monkey. Yay! Let's go put it. Mandarin monkeys are the most colorful monkeys with bright faces and rainbow bottoms.
Elephant? Elephants flop their ears to stay cool like built-in fans. Cool, huh? Wow! Elephants spray water to cool off and get clean. Gotcha, elephant! Look at this small elephant.
Elephant. Do you hear that? Must be something big. Oh, a nice cute bear. Huh? He looks really hungry. We should feed him. Bears really like fish. Did you know bears can smell food over 20 miles away? It's like sniffing a sandwich from another town. Just look at him. Let's go put him. Welcome back, Mr. Bear. Oh my god, a giraffe! His neck is so long. Ooh. Yay. Giraffes have the longest necks, up to 2 meters long, taller than the most grown-ups. Huh?
Ooh, someone lost the wand. Time to play with my toys. Oh, let's try the magic wand. Abracadabra boom. Bing bang boo. Doesn't work. Nah. Hey, Eva.
Hey Dasha, have you seen my wand?
Yeah, but it's not working. Where's my toy? Someone took it. Was that you, Eva?
No, but lately I found my wand. Dasha, I have to tell you something. The house is... What?
What was that?
Look at those monsters.
Yeah, but I can't believe you lost the wand. What do we do now?
Oh, I have an idea.
Faster, Eva.
Dasha, I got the wand.
Come on, Eva, come on. Thank you, Eva. That was so cool.
No problem, Dasha. But promise you won't take my wand again.
Ah, yes, a giant snake is coming! I'm so scared of snakes.
Me too.
Yeah, but use your wand. Yay! Such a big snake.
Let's go put it on its place.
Snake.
This is Lion and Rhino. They look really aggressive. Let's change them into toys quick.
Hooray! Let's go put them.
Rhino and Lion. Finally, I collected all my toys. Alligator, how did he get here? Now this is definitely the last toy.
Hi, it's just me, Yeva. This is Scolopendra. This is Ladybug. And this is Mantis. Let's try some magic. Giga Insectum. No, guys, it's not working today. Oh no, where are all my bugs? Are they gone? It's in the living room, guys. Ah, this is a giant pillbug. Whoa, this is a giant mantis. This is a pillbug. They can roll into a ball. That's why people call them roly-polies. Even though we call them pillbugs, they're actually crustaceans like crabs, shrimp, and lobsters. I need my wand. Let's turn this pillbug into a toy. I'll need this. Gotcha, you naughty one. Oh my, this is a spider. This spider looks like a black widow. What do you think, guys? They are shy, not aggressive. And they will only bite if they have been disturbed. They make messy looking but strong webs close to the ground in the dark. They have poor eyesight. Because they can't see well, they use their web to sense vibration. Time to go back, spider. Huh? Is it a giant bee? This is a bee. Bees are super pollinators. Bees help plants grow by carrying pollen from flower to flower. Without them, we wouldn't have many fruits or veggies. Bees talk by dancing. They do a special wiggle dance to tell other bees where to find flowers. Ah! Bee attack! Ah! Don't bite me! Let's make a bee bait. She'll see the honeycomb and leave the honey that she collected. Honeybees make honey from flower nectar and store it in their honeycombs for food. Gotcha, little Buzzy. Yeva, would you please help me find all my bugs and turn them back into toys?
Say no more, Steffi. I'm in. Oh my... This is a mantis. They often stay perfectly still, waiting patiently for the perfect moment to strike. Mantis is a skilled predator that can catch flies, crickets, and even small lizards. They have big eyes, and they can turn their heads almost 180 degrees to spot prey. Now you won't run away. Guys, do you hear that sound too? That's a ladybug! Ladybugs are easy to spot because of their red body and black dots. But some ladybugs could be orange, yellow, black, or even pink. Also, they protect gardens and plants by eating pests. Yay, got you! This is a stag beetle. Ugh. By eating dead wood, they help recycle nutrients back to the soil. Male stag beetles have huge jaws that look like deer antlers. This is why they're called stag beetles. Let's go with me, Mr. Beetle. What is this? Oh, this is a moth. Did you know there was more moth specials than butterflies? Over 160,000 kinds! Interesting fact, moths don't eat clothes by themselves. It's their larvae that consumes natural fibers. Oh my! You couldn't get me. Let's go. This is a Scalopendra. They usually have 30 to 100 legs depending on their size. Scalopendras are really fast and also they love to hide. Gotcha, little bug. Let's go. This is a cockroach. They can live over a week without their head because they breathe through their body. Also, cockroaches are one of the fastest insects. Oh my God! And did you know, guys, that cockroaches live everywhere around the world except the coolest places like Antarctica? Time to go back, Roach. This is an ant. Ants don't have ears or lungs. They hear through vibrations and breathe through tiny holes in their body. Ants are super strong. They can carry items over 50 times heavier than their weight. All right, that's enough. Now I can leave my shelter. Got you, little ant. This is a fly. Flies have big eyes made of thousands of tiny lenses, which lets them see in many different directions at once. Ew, get away from me! Get over here! Perfect moment. Yay. Interesting fact, flies' reaction is much faster than humans, which is why they seem to dodge every swat.
Green, red, blue. This is caterpillar. Let's go back. Finally, I collected all my bug toys. Hey Steffi, check this out. Giglo insectum. Dasha, what have you done? Huh? Not again. Oopsie.
Alex, let's learn interesting facts about animals.
Okay, let's do it, Yeva. Yeva, we forgot one toy. Let's go and find it. Come on, come on.
Wait, Alex, do you hear that sound?
Yes.
This was intense.
Well, what are we gonna do now?
We have to turn the animals back into the toys again.
Oh, I know. Let's find our magic wand.
Great idea. Come on, come on, come on. I know. We can just craft the magic wand. Come on, Alex. Let's go. Perfect. Let's cut it off.
Faster, I can hear the animals.
Voila, our magic wand.
I hope it's gonna work.
Alex, do you hear that?
Yeah, it's so scary.
Who do you guys think that is? A lion, a tiger, or a panther?
This is White Lion.
Wow, that's right. Wild lions are so uncommon that for many years people thought they were just a myth. Their white fur comes from a rare gene called the color inhibitor gene. Alex, they're so cute. Maybe we can keep them?
No, Eva, we can't. We have to turn them back into toys.
All right. They're so cute.
We need to find more. Let's go.
Let's go.
This is zebra. Did you know that zebras have unique stripes? Just like our fingerprints. Also, zebras are very good runners, so we better get running. Time to get you back. This is gorilla. Gorillas are the biggest primates in the world. Oh, wow! Gorillas communicate with over 20 different sounds. Gorillas are super strong. They can lift things 10 times over their weight. Gorillas can learn sign language, use tools, and solve problems. Let's bring you back to the toys.
This is an anteater. Anteaters love bugs. They usually eat ants and termites, up to 30,000 a day. They don't have any teeth. They use their long, sticky tongues to scrub up all the insects like a vacuum. Their tongues are super long, up to 23 inches. Time to get back to the rest of the toys. Look at this! It's a giant Pacific octopus! The biggest octopus in the world! It can grow as big as a car! Octopuses can change color, texture like rocks, sand, and seaweed. Oh, look! It actually changed color! Ooh, it's wet. This is alpacas. Alpacas are plant eaters. They're so friendly that they sometimes don't like being alone. And they sometimes spit. Alpacas spit when they argue about food or space. And look, there's Koala with her baby. Koalas have sharp claws and strong limbs. That helps them climb trees very well. A baby koala called Joy is born of the size of a jelly bean. How cute! Koalas sleep up to 20 hours a day. Can you believe that? This is a camel. Camels are super water drinkers. They can drink up to 52 gallons of water at once. Camels can carry people and supplies across desert journeys. It's so hot, but camels can handle very high temperatures and they never get sunburned because of their thick fur. Let's bring you back to your friends.
I love my dragon toy. Oh no, my dragon toy is alive. Uh-oh.
Oh my god, listen to the story here.
So scary.
This doesn't look like one of my toys.
Yeva, this is my new dragon toy. Thank you for saving me. Did you see that? This is a Clydesdale horse and a cow. Clydesdale horse could be as tall as a basketball player and weight as a small car. They could pull very heavy wagons, farm tools, and even carriages full of people. The cows could be very big and weight as a small car too. Their bodies are very powerful. Hey you! Stop! I need to turn them back into toys right now, or else they'll break everything.
This is a Komodo dragon. Komodo dragons are the biggest lizards on Earth. Their tails are so powerful that one slap can knock down a whole big animal. Also, they smell with their tongues. They can run fast, swim well, and even climb trees. Yes.
9, 10, 11. Yes, we collected all of them.
Guys, let's do a little quiz to see if you remember the names of the animals and the facts about them.
What is the name of this animal? This is white lion.
And now, what's the name of this animal? Right, guys, this is an anteater.
And what's the name of this animal? This is a giant Pacific octopus.
Alex, what is this? I thought we collected all the animals.
I don't know, Yeva. Guys, it's me. I tricked you.
Oh, you cheeky.
Yeva, Alex, did you know that crocodiles could sleep with one eye open? No, I didn't. This is so fun.
I hope you learned a lot of cool stuff today.
It's lunchtime. Yummy. Wow, dinosaurs. Oh. Steffi, Yeva, can I play with you? Please, please, please. Of course not, Dasha. Only me and Yeva will play here.
Go find something else.
Fine.
Time to eat, Atrociraptor.
Open wide, Dinosaurus. Idea. Haha, let's have some fun. Let's wait till they leave. Let's get more dinos, Yeva. We're out.
All right, let's go.
the dinosaurs are gone. Let's catch her, Yeva. Where is she?
Why's the wand here? What's happening? What's the noise?
I don't know. Let's go check.
Let's go.
Where are they? Should we try the magic wand on the dinosaur?
Okay, let's try.
This is Allosaurus. Scary.
Interesting fact, Allosaurus was one of the first dinosaurs to be featured in a movie. Come on, do something!
Come on. Thanks, Yeva.
Great job, Steffi. We need to take this dino back and find the others.
And thanks to Dasha, the dinosaurs ruined the whole house because of her.
Oh no, Steffi, the wand! What did you do? This is Carnotaurus.
Gotcha. What is Dasha up to? Nice shot. Dasha, this is all because of you. Sorry, girls. I just wanted to play. Okay, we forgive you, Dasha. And yes, you can play with us, but later.
But first, we need to catch all the dinos.
Yay! Thank you.
Let's go.
It's not a real dinosaur. Indominus Rex is very smart. It's a mix of T-Rex, Velociraptor, and even animals like frogs and cuttlefish. It could change its skin color, similar to cuttlefish. Gotcha! That was so close. Next time, give me a warning or something. Look at that! Brachiosaurus was a gentle giant. It only ate plants. Its nose was located high on his head, which helped it breathe while eating from tall trees. Time to turn your back. Yeah! Huh? Another dinosaur? This is the Minion Mosasaurus. It was the largest member of its family, but I will have to make it small again.
Velociraptor was known for its savage name, which means savage robber.
Velociraptor Blue was fictional. It was blue with unique blue stripes.
Velociraptor will win!
I'm cheering for Velociraptor.
Round
Go,
one.
Blue! Go! Come on!
You can do
Hit
it!
him! What's going on here, girls? Don't you see a dino battle? Go, Blue! Go! That's enough! They're gonna destroy the house! You ruined all the fun, Steffi.
Steffi, watch out!
Oh no, my wand! Oh no! Steffi, run!
Hurry, Dasha!
Got it! Please don't eat me! Please! Oh, thank you, Dasha! You are always welcome, Steffi. You did all the job. No, you did. You.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys.
You did all the job. You did all the job. together. Sit on, Dominus Rex. Take this, Cornidorus. Hold on, girls. Do you hear that?
Don't worry, it's just the decorations.
No, it's different. Wait, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There was supposed to be 8. Oh! Where's the wand? Where is it?
Where could it be?
Come on, faster, guys. Oh, I found it. Sorry I left it here. I'll handle it.
Good luck.
Wow, it's so huge! Wow, look how big it is! Diplodocus means double beam in Greek. It has special bones under its tail, which makes its long tail strong and bendy. Let's go home, big boy! Yup, that's everyone. With kindness and courage, big problems become small.